Hello everyone. On my last project, I have deployed a 3-tier application into AWS, but on that project I didn't make. I pushed the raw code into AWS, but which is not a good practice in the industry. Today I will show you how we can build, how we can Dockerize a project and then push to EC2 machine. So here is our project structure. We have used MongoDB, then Express.js REST API for backend, React for frontend, and used NGINX to serve the frontend. And later I will show you Docker compose file, which will automate the Dockerize process. Let's see the project structure one by one. Here is the backend part, where we have a Docker file. If we want to Dockerize the backend code, we will have to at first we will have to clone the repository into our EC2 machine. Then we'll have to go to the backend and then run the Docker file to Dockerize the backend and run the Docker image as well. And after that we'll have to go frontend folder, then do the same thing. Okay, let's see. In frontend we build and then we Dockerize the build file. So here is a reduce the size of our Docker image. So if we do it for every services like backend, frontend, and if we have more services, and if we use multiple database, then we will have to go into the folder one by one and then Dockerize these services and then run the services, which is very complex. And but we can make it automate using Docker Compose, where we have tell the services one by one, and this will automate the Dockerize process just one command. Here is our MongoDB part. Here is our backend part, and here is our front end part, and also we introduced the volumes and networks as well. I will not go into that today. Here is a Docker Compose file, and we when we run a command Docker Compose up, then it will build every services one by one and run those images. So let's go to the actual deployment. Okay, at first I have to create a EC2 machine in AWS. Launch instance, give a name. My project name today is Expense Tracker App, in short Expense App. Ubuntu, I have taken Ubuntu machine, which is I will take Ubuntu server 20.4 LTS, and then T2 medium, create the key pair, Expense app. Okay, this is already existing. Expense app, create key pair. Okay, we should download in my local machines download folder, then allow HTTPS, HTTP traffic, and take a larger one, let's say 16 GB. Okay, done. launch the instance. Okay, the EC2 machine is launched. Let's go to see the machine is not showing. Okay, here is my public IP. Security, I will go to security group. Okay, letter already identified. Okay, no problem. Then go to connect and SSH client. Take this. Here is my local machine terminal. Go to downloads folder where my keypair file is .prim file is stored. Give the permissions, executable permissions. Connect to my EC2 machine. Yes. Okay, now I am into my EC2 machine, not in my local machine. This is my EC2 machine. Now clone the project, git clone, my bad. Okay, ls. Okay, my project is in my EC2 machine now. Okay, go to my project folder, show my structure. Here is Docker compose YAML file, frontend and backend. So now what I can do, I have written the all command because I didn't memorize those. Okay, update my EC2 machine, then keep the Docker package key, which is called maybe GPC key now or something else. We have to give this, provide those key, and which is repository, Docker repository, to install Docker and Docker compose. Okay, then provided the key, then repository path, then install the Docker daemon and Docker compose. Because we need Docker compose to Dockerize full project automatically, so that we didn't go one by one into services and Dockerize and run the Docker images. Okay, let's check the Docker version. Okay, Docker compose. The Docker compose up -d / -build. This command will at first I have to go into this expense f folder, then run this command, will automatically containerize and run those container automatically one by one for backend, frontend, and MongoDB. Okay, building image. And backend in 50, the 5000. This is not our concern. Our concern is only front end, which is served by NGINX, also build file, not the actual code. So how could I see that our project is deployed in AWS? We have seen the Dockerize services and just hit the public IP of our EC2 machine. That will automatically connect to our front end. Port 80 is not necessary, this is default. If we customize those, then it will be mentioned. Here is our project up and running. Let's test our project. See demo data. This will give us some demo data. This is our daily expense tracker, where we can track our daily expenses, like today, how in which purpose I have expense my money. So title, in morning I have go out and have some snacks and tea session. So tea session, okay, breakfast. First amount, how much? Okay, $20, and which is food and note, tea and blah blah blah. Okay, let's see breakfast and blah blah blah. Okay, let's add another one, which is traveling purpose, transport purpose. Okay, bills. Internet bill, $10-$30. Okay, today, this is my today's expense. Note number, IT, internet bill. This is automatically added into my list. Where is it? Where is it? This is internet bill. Okay, and those are demo data. And if I want to delete, let's say this is not appropriate, I have made a mistake, delete it. And internet bill, this is my added internet bill, and this is not mine, this is seed data. Okay, how do I identify this? This is a note monthly bill, and I noted that Amber IT internet bill. And I can also, okay, so we can search by title, internet bill. This is searching, and everything is okay, fine. Okay, we can also see log files of Docker in containers, Docker compose log. Okay, this is account logs. Okay, yes, one is there is our logs. Then see, let's see if I want to we can edit from here. Okay, this is a bill. Okay, cancel edit. Okay, let's see, $20 for which purpose? Travel. Okay, health purpose. Dr. Fees. Visited Exim Bank Hospital tomorrow, yesterday, sorry. Let's see, Dr. Fees, edit this. Express will be more because some medicine have bought actually included. No, okay, let's see the logs. Okay, how do I identify the logs are real time? This is 17th June, July, 6:30. Maybe it is UTC time zone. Let's edit again. Let's edit again. 20. Oh, really? This is a real time. Previous one is 6:30. Where it is this? And this is 6:31. This is the UTC time zone. I added 6 hours, 12:31, which is our 12:31 p.m. Let's just one click. So no, this is not any activity tracking. Another one. I have deleted this. Our concern, so we deployed our project into AWS with Dockerize, full Docker process, but this is also manual. In future I will automate all process, like in industry everything works. If we change anything, push into GitHub or GitLab or whatever, it will trigger automatically into deployment, and those are coming in future, inshallah. Thank you. Bye bye.